Hi people, morning. Thanks for all the support you guys are offer. So today this video is all about, I've done close about 9,400 kilometers on this bike in about 3 months. And I will also share over a view about my experience about the Scrambler 400X and a couple of other videos also coming. So before we start, what is this video is all about? I've just made some changes and added some accessories and removed some accessories. I just want to show you and share my feedback about that so that it will be helpful for you. So let's start with something. What I've done is the top box. So for the top box, what I'm using is aluminum case. Definitely a soft box will be an option, but still, since I use a lot of take a lot of gadgets with me from the safety point of view, I feel that aluminum top box is the best. And also because of the shape, if at all an additional baggage is required to carry, like during rain, I want to keep my rain liners, I can use all those hooks to use this bungee cord, spiral bungee cord, or a Spider-Man bungee cord, and then I can fix here or here and carry my hydration bag or extra luggage on it. So this helps me a lot. In terms of the saddle bag, I used Rhinox. This was purchased long back when I was using Honda. So this is how it fits. For example, the advantage here is, it has got the stay here, so that it ensures it's fixed. And then I mount such a way that the bag doesn't move at all. Now it's empty. I've just completed my Valparaiso trip. So this is how it works, because other side of the Scrambler, the silencer height. So people have a feel that, whether it's fixed or not. I'll just show you how it works. Low because of the stay, no problem, no problem. Done close about 3 to 4 trips and it works well. And this product is from Motor Talk. And from the Rhinox, it has got couple of options to tag. I'll just remove the bag and show you. So there are 3 mountings. So just on the go, we can remove the bag. So I use a number lock like this. So when we go for a small site visit, I lock it. And I use a duffel bag so to keep my things in. And I put the duffel bag inside with my clothes and everything. And if it is not required to move the saddle bag, I just take what is required via the duffel bag. This is how I use the saddle bag. Very, very good. Rhinox Nomad, highly recommended, because I've been using this for the last 2.5-3 years. No problem. Now you guys can see this is a Motor Talk, where the frame is like this, and it has got a bottom support. If at all you really wanted to carry some fuel tank, if at all you want to carry a jerry can, you have options here to mount it, and you can have your jerry can here. But I use saddle bag at the moment. I have not used a jerry can. So just one click, open, and you remove it. That's it. I had the Motor Talk top rack because when I bought the bike, the Triumph original accessories was not available. But what happened with the Motor Talk is it's very heavy, and it is just mounted here the same way as it's mounted. And unfortunately, due to the heavy, the bolt broke. The design is not perfect, because if you look into the Scrambler, it comes like this, okay? It comes this shape, yeah, but on the Motor Talk, the plate is designed, the support is designed straight. So what happened is, on these areas, they have given the metal washers, which is very heavy. So I don't think so the weight was evenly distributed, or the support is meant the same it was. So it broke. But if you look into the Triumph, if you look into it, it is designed the way like this. It's not straight. It is like this. So I love it. And it's aluminum. It's a single piece. It's sturdy. It's very nice. It's lightweight and it's sturdy. It's aluminum. I love it. So I would recommend to go only for the original Triumph top box stay. So the third is I put the Motor Talk crash bar. The original one is okay, but here I wanted something specifically for the long touring, because when we go for long rides, like 300, 400, 500 kilometers, definitely you would require some relaxation for your leg. So on the go, you have an option to just rest your legs. It's not advised to ride all the go, but just for a minute or two whenever you require, both the sides, you can rest. I rest one at a time when it's required, or else this is a push. The fourth one is the auxiliary light. This is from Maddox Cowtex, which is very, very good. The overall price is about 11,000. It's an Indian brand, and it is very good. I've been using it for the last 2.5 years. Zero complaint, no issues. I've already posted a video about how to fix it. So this is my auxiliary light, because the Triumph LED lights or any LED lights at the moment is not really good, especially on a long touring. So this is something I wanted, because mobile GPS here or here, it doesn't work well. So I just wanted to keep something here. I will share the link about this product. This is from, I think, Bikers, or it's basically designed for the RE Interceptor. Very sturdy, and it's a direct fit. People who have installed the fly screen can definitely fix it. I'll just show you how I've done it. Very, very, very good, very strong product. And so I just added one. I just added just to support the one bolt, and then screwed it like this. I removed the fly screen, and then I fixed this one. This is a straight fit, no nothing, no drill, nothing. So this is what this is how I've done it. So from this particular angle, if at all you wanted to keep the mobile mount, you can have the mobile mount and place it horizontally. Used it for the GPS, because I'm planning to buy the anti-vibrate mobile mount, which can be fixed. So at the moment I keep this one base. So what I do is, I can keep the action camera here. Here is where I fix my action camera. So wanted to do some hyperlapse or time lapse, I can keep it here and record it. Or if I really wanted to do an action camera, particular this angle is really good. Tested almost like 3,000 kilometers tested. It's working. So I'll try to. I picked it from Amazon. I'll share the link of this particular one. People who wanted to have a mobile mount here, definitely they can. You can use it. For the tank bag, I use Soleil's 13 liters. It's a magnetic one, and what I like about the design is, you can have your mobile phone here, but definitely you can't use it for the long ride. Since it's fully covered, definitely mobile will generate a lot of heat. Just for emergencies, we can use it. So it's a magnetic tank bag. So I fix it like this. So if I have to keep the mobile phone and particular angle, I don't really want to bend down. I can see in this angle if I really wanted to do to check any destinations required. I really love it. The size perfectly fits. Tested again for my everyday office commute as well as my long rides. So travel with me for almost 9,000 or 8,000 at least kilometer. And this is what is my Insta360. So I keep it here whenever I'm going for a ride. And if I really want to record something in and around on a quick, I use Insta360, definitely a handy camera. This is the position what I use for my Insta. For the air inflator, I've been using MI for the last 2 years, but what happened is now it has become more, we can't rely MI anymore, because the battery is very unpredictable. It's not predictable. Definitely, air pressure is very important. So I use Bosch. It's expensive, but I've been using for the last 3 to 4 months. Yes, definitely the name Bosch carries a lot of reliability. I use Bosch for my air inflator. So this is Grand Pistop. It really works well, because on a ride, Scrambler requires definitely a 550 kilometers, chain loop or clean, or at least a chain loop top-up required. So these rollers are very, very good. I've used for all these days. I've been using this for my long rides, and even at my home, whenever I have to do it, I use this. Very, very good. Works well for me. About the accessories and the usage, whatever I do, and Many people asked about this fluorescent green strip, what I've used it here. If you guys have seen my video or the travel video, I am somewhere connected with the neon. That's the reason my helmet has got neon, my shoes, my gloves. So I'm basically a neon fanboy. So when I picked the black one, this was straight in my mind. Before even purchasing it, this is something I want to do it. You guys can go any bike sticker shop. You guys can get this. You guys can cut to close about couple of centimeter, however, millimeter, however you want. They can cut and give, and you can paste it however you want to do it. So for the black, the neon goes well. So you guys can try. If you don't like it, you can just peel it off. For my auxiliary light, the light switches, I've fixed it here. So on the go, I don't want it to come here or make some adjustment, because aux light at times use is handy. Just on the press, you guys we can turn on the aux light on and off. Choco, come here. Aux light. So this is something I like. And the grips are from Soft Puppies or whatever. There are a lot of options available. This works really well, because what really happens is when we go on high speed, or when we're going to speed, when we brake it, knowingly or unknowingly, the weight rests at the palm. On a longer ride, definitely, our hands requires a lot of relaxation. So this really helps. Because when we put pressure on the hand, this grips works well. The Beak looks on aesthetic really well. I love it. This Beak is something I love it. So if you look into it, the motor top, saddle stay, and the top rack of the Triumph doesn't fit well, because this is 90-degree, but what happens is there is a curve here. So because of the curve, the 90-degree doesn't fit. Just a small grinding is required. Once you do the grinding, we can fit it. It's a straight fit. You just need to ensure you tap on the 90-degree rectangle, smoothen it, and you guys can fit it. Very strong, very sturdy with both the package, because this also helps to hold the grab rails and move the bike. So on the long ride, with my bag, with my gears, with the seating portion, with on-the-go cameras, whatever I have, it works really well. This is the accessories, I think, for the touring. Most of the accessories are done. Just completed a ride. How much? So total kilometers done on the bike is 9,159 in about 3 months. And my last trip is 1,330 kilometers. Almost 150 kilometers inside the jungle area. The Atrampalli-Valparai route. The accessories what I fit for the long touring, because there are people have questioned me in terms of things. So I have my top box, my aluminum box, my saddlebags, crash guards, and GPS mobile mount. I'll share the link of all that whatever I purchased. So with this, a beautiful bike, beautiful mission. So stay connected, happy riding, all the best, take care, Jai Hind, bye.